Good afternoon, everyone. Another day from paradise in Middle East. Today is 8th of March. It is 8:20 p.m. at the moment. I'm again on my two wheels, making a casual ride. I have not much to do today. I will just hang in here and there. I got my Insta360, so it will be on my left front. Will be recording me on the bike and on the road as well. Today is quite windy. Rain was expected, but there is no rain. Since it is a small country and then because of the winds and etc. etc. Unfortunately, weather forecast is not very accurate. So there was expected heavy rain from the morning, but nothing is there. Let me go right, since I'm riding at a decent speed now. Like I said, not much to do today. I think I need to go left, not from right. I will ride from the city center, not from the highway. So I will go to Corniche, record the Corniche, and then, I don't know, maybe I can go for a grocery shopping or something, and I will come back. So, like vlogger says, please do not forget to subscribe, like my stupid videos, and gives me a thumbs up, please. Okay. So, see you around.